Good morning. Let's see the next concept, that is EOQ. EOQ means economic order quantity. It is also known as reorder quantity. EOQ mainly deals with the raw materials. EOQ means it is the size of the order which gives maximum economy in purchasing any material and ultimately contributes towards maintaining the material at the optimum level and at the minimum cost. So EOQ is the quantity to be ordered whenever you are making the purchase of raw materials. So at what minimum cost you are ordering your materials, that is called as EOQ. What is the size of the order you are placing your material order with the minimum cost, and these raw materials should be used for the optimum level. EOQ is the quantity which is the most economic to order. So which quantity you are ordering, and that should be with the minimum cost. In EOQ, we are having two types of cost. One is ordering cost and carrying cost. Ordering cost means it is the cost of placing an order. It incurs at every time we place an order. It means cost of ordering the raw materials. Whenever if you are placing an order, these are the expenses should be incurred. For example, taxes, transportation, loading, unloading charges, telephone charges. It means if you place an order for 1,000 raw materials today, you have to order the material. For that you need telephone charges, you have to pay taxes, you have to pay transportation charges, loading and unloading charges. After 3 days, once again if you are placing an order for 100 materials or for 200 materials, once again these are the expenses should be made. It means every time if you place an order, these are the expenses should be incurred. That's why it is called as ordering cost. And the second type is carrying cost. Carrying cost means it is the cost of maintaining or keeping the inventory. In order to keep the inventory in a safe, or in order to maintain the inventory, some of the cost will be incurred. That cost will be called as carrying cost. For example, you have to pay rent for the materials to be stored in a particular place, material handling cost, you have to pay insurance and supervisor's salary. These are the expenses in order to maintain or keep the inventory in a good condition. These expenses should be incurred. And how to calculate inventory? So, how to calculate economic order quantity? So, we are using this formula. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. So what do you mean by A means? A is the annual consumption, annual usage, annual consumption of material. It's not the purchase, it is the annual consumption of raw materials by the particular company. B is the buying cost per order. What is the buying cost for per order? And C is the cost per unit of material. What is the cost per unit of materials purchased? And S is the storage and carrying cost, percentage of cost. Now, see the problems. Calculate the economic order quantity for the material M from the following details. One is they have given annual usage 90,000 units, buying cost per order 10 rupees, cost of carrying inventory 10% of cost per unit 50. See, EOQ is just using the formula, simplify the formula, calculate the economic order quantity. And this EOQ problems will be asked for your 6 marks questions. So write down the formula here. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. Here, EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into annual usage or annual consumption will be 90,000 units. So 2 into 90,000 into B represent buying cost per order. What is the buying cost per order? 10 rupees. Divided by C represent carrying cost of inventory. Sorry, C is the cost per unit of inventory. So cost per unit will be 50 rupees and S will be the storage or carrying cost of inventory in percentage. So they have given in terms of percentage 10% of cost. Now simplify this. 2 into 90,000 into 10, 50 into 10% represent 5. So if you simplify this, you will get square root of 3,60,000. If you remove the square root, you will get EOQ order units will be 600 units. Let's see the next problem. From the following information, calculate EOQ and calculate the number of orders to be placed in a year. So this is your 2016 question paper problem, 6 marks question. See, annual consumption means yearly consumption or yearly usage. If they have given half yearly or quarterly, you need to convert that consumption or usage into annually. So here they have given quarterly consumption of materials 2000 units. It means you have to convert quarterly consumption into annual consumption. Then cost of placing one order. Buying cost per order will be 50 rupees. Cost per unit. Cost per unit of material will be 40 rupees. Storage and carrying cost inventory will be 8%. So now apply the formula. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. So I told if they have given quarterly consumption, you have to convert quarterly consumption into annual consumption. So annual consumption is equals to how many quarters for a year? There are 4 quarters in a year. So 2000 units into 4, you will get 8000 units for annual consumption. So here we are applying the formula 2 into annual consumption we have calculated now 8000 units into what is the buying cost per order. Cost of placing one order will be 50 rupees divided by C. C represent cost per unit. Cost per unit will be 40 rupees into storage or carrying cost will be 8% of inventory. So now calculate this. If you simplify 2 into 8000 into 50 divided by 40 into 8%, you will get the value square root of 2,50,000. So if you remove the square root, you will get 500 units to be ordered. Now, they have asked to calculate the number of orders you have to place. So for that formula will be annual consumption divided by EOQ. So annual consumption will be 8000 units. We have calculated EOQ that is 500. So for we are placing a 16 orders. So this is your 2016 question paper problem. Let's see the next question. A company manufactures 5000 units of a product per month. Cost of placing an order is 100 rupees. The purchase price of raw material is rupees 10 per kg. It means cost of material, cost per unit of material. The reorder period will be 4 to 8 weeks. So reorder period 4 will be minimum reorder period, 8 will be maximum reorder period. The consumption of raw materials varies from 100 kg to 450 kg per week. Consumption of raw materials means 100 kg is the minimum consumption, 450 will be the maximum consumption. The average consumption being 275 kg. The carrying cost of inventory is 20% per annum. You are required to calculate reorder quantity and also reorder level. See, I told you have to consider only the annual consumption or annual usage, not the manufactured units. So here they have given a company manufactures 5000 units of a product per month. We don't want manufacturing units, we want annual usage or annual consumption units. Then cost of placing an order, buying cost per order will be 100 rupees. Purchase price of raw material, it's nothing but cost per unit of raw material will be 10 rupees per kg. Reorder period and reorder consumption information will be given in order to calculate the reorder level. And they have given the average consumption being 275 kg. So the carrying cost will be 20% per annum. Now apply the formula. See here they have given weekly basis. So average consumption will be given on a week basis. You have to convert this into annual consumption. So first apply the formula. First you have to calculate the annual consumption. So annual consumption is equals to, they have given weekly consumed or usage units 275 units into, there are 52 weeks in a year. If you multiply you will get 14,300 units. Now apply the formula. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. So EOQ is equals to 2 into, we have calculated annual consumption, that is 14,300 into. They have given buying cost per order. Cost of placing an order as 100 and cost per unit of material will be 10 rupees. So B will be buying cost per order, that is 100 divided by what is the cost per unit, 10 into, they have given storage cost or carrying cost as 20% per annum. So into 20%. So EOQ is equals to 2 into annual consumption of 14,300 into buying cost per order 100 rupees. Cost per unit will be 10 rupees into 20%. So if you simplify this, you will get square root of 14,30,000. So if you remove the square root, you will get 1,196 units. It is the EOQ. Now you have to calculate reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Here they have given maximum consumption units. Minimum will be 100 kg, maximum will be 450 kg. Minimum reorder period will be 4, maximum reorder period will be 8. So maximum consumption will be 450 units into 8 weeks. So you will get reorder level as 3600 kg. The next problem is ABC Limited requires 1500 units of a material per month costing rupees 27 per unit. So 1500 units per month they have given. You have to convert it into annual. Cost per unit of material will be rupees 27. Cost per order will be 150. Buying cost per order will be 150 and inventory carrying cost works out to be 20% of average inventory. So you have to calculate 20% for the storage or carrying inventory. Find out the number of orders to be placed in a year. So this is your 2014 6 marks question. Now apply the formula. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. So first you need to calculate annual consumption. Here they have given 1500 units into, they have given per month, you have to convert it into annual. It means you have to multiply with the 12. There are 12 months in a year. So you will get 18,000 units. So EOQ is equals to 2 into 18,000 into the cost of order will be 150 and cost per unit will be 27. So buying cost per order will be 150 divided by cost per unit will be 27 into storage or carrying cost will be 20%. So if you simplify this, you will get square root of 10 lakh. If you remove the square root, you will get 1000 units. So how to calculate number of orders to be placed? Number of orders will be equals to annual consumption divided by EOQ. So we have calculated annual consumption as 18,000 units divided by EOQ will be 1000 units. So you will get 18 orders. Then the next problem. Following information relating to a type of raw material is available. Annual demand is 2,400 units. Unit price, annual demand means annual requirement or annual usage, annual consumption will be 2,400 units. Unit price, it means cost per unit will be 2.40. Ordering cost per order will be 4 rupees. It means buying cost per order 4 rupees. Storage cost 2% per annum. Interest rate 10% per annum. It means in carrying cost, if you are taking the loan and if you are doing the things means you have to pay interest. So carrying cost and storage cost, it also includes interest rate also. So if you want to take storage or carrying cost, you have to club this 10 plus 2, 12% you have to consider. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. Here annual consumption will be 2400, buying cost per order will be 4 rupees, cost of material will be 2.4, and carrying cost will be 12% or storage cost will be 12%. To simplify this, EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into 2400 into 4 divided by 2.4 into 12%. If you simplify this, you will get square root of 66,667. So you will get units as 258 units. The next problem is a company uses 2500 units of a material per month. Cost of placing an order is 150 and the cost per unit will be 20 rupees. So uses means annual usage. Here they have given, they have given per month basis. It means monthly basis they have given. You have to convert it into annual. Cost of placing an order. Buying cost per order will be 150 and cost per unit will be 20 rupees. The reorder period will be 4 to 8 weeks. It means maximum reorder period 8 weeks, minimum reorder period 4 weeks. The maximum consumption of raw material is 100 units, whereas the average consumption is 275 units. So maximum consumption they have given it as 100 and average consumption, in order to calculate the annual consumption, they have given average consumption, that is 275 units. It means you have to consider average consumption units here. So calculate 275 into 52 weeks, you will get 14,300 units. The carrying cost of inventory is 20% per annum. So here you have to take 275 units for the calculation of annual consumption, and they have given buying cost per order as 150. Cost per unit will be 20 rupees. Storage cost will be 20% per annum. If you calculate this, you will get reorder quantity or EOQ. Both are same only. EOQ and reorder quantity both are same. How to calculate reorder level? Reorder level is equals to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Here they have given maximum consumption as 100 units, maximum reorder period will be 8 weeks. So calculate this, this is your homework question. The next problem is ABC Company Limited gives the following details about the material X. Monthly consumption will be 200 units. Average cost per order is 40. So buying cost per order is 40. Monthly consumption they have given, you have to convert it into annual consumption. Average price per unit, that is cost per unit will be 20. Hoarding cost is nothing but your carrying cost, that is 24% per year. Determine EOQ, this is your 2015 question paper problem. EOQ is equals to square root of 2 into A into B divided by C into S. So what is consumption here? See, I have converted here only. 2 into 200 units is the monthly consumption. So you have to convert it into annual means you have to multiply with the 12 into what is the buying cost per order 40 divided by 20 into 24%. So if you calculate it, you will get square root of 40,000 units. So if you remove the square root, you will get 200 units. Thank you.